Hey everybody, Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy, coming back at you with more information about taxes. What the heck are you going to do with your tax refund, right? Like, gee, Scott, I'm going to use this as a down payment. Hold on, maybe you shouldn't. So check it out. A lot of people come to me and they go, I'm going to take my tax refund, I'm going to use it as a down payment. Now, most people, lots of people take their tax refund and they don't necessarily do anything smart with it, right? They go on vacation, they kind of blow it, whatever they do, okay? Other people say, hey, I want to put it all down on the house. Well, here's the thing, okay? Now that there's a fair amount of 100% down programs, there's a consideration as to what is the best thing to do with your tax refund. Yes, a down payment is a viable option, a good option, but sometimes what I find for people is that if we split that money up and use part of it towards debt consolidation and the other part towards down payment, it could really maximize people's qualifying ratios. So look, I don't want to get too technical, but check it out, right? Every $1,000 you borrow is around $5 a month. All depends on a million different things, but let's just use that as an example. That's not what people qualify for, just an example. So if you knock out a credit card that has a minimum payment of $100, that $100 equates to an additional $20,000 in borrowing ability. So think about that, right? Sometimes you have a relatively small credit card with a payment, or maybe you have a car loan that's almost paid off, right? I was working with somebody recently, they had $6,000 on their car and their payment was over $300 a month. So we paid off the $6,000. It increased their borrowing ability to $60,000. So look, we gotta really, don't just decide one way or another. I talk a lot about strategy sessions, and this is where it's important. Let's put our heads together and do the smartest thing. Now, there's two angles with this, right? What is the smartest way from a spreadsheet standpoint, and what feels most comfortable? When I meet with everybody, I really focus on both. I don't think you can exclude one or the other. So we look at it from two angles, we figure out the best solution, and we divide and conquer from that direction. That's what I got for you. I'm Scott DiGregorio. Do me a favor, man. Reach out to me. Let me see if I can run some numbers for you. I'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.